Hi there, welcome to the greenhouse. My name's Jared, I'm one of the growers here at Groovy Plants Ranch, and today I'm going to talk to you about the super popular and still fairly hard to find String of Dolphins plant. We grow a lot of these, they're available on our website, and we thought it'd be a good idea to just do a quick informational video on how to care for them and what to expect if you were to purchase one online. So, String of Dolphins, when you order for us, is going to come either bare root or in a pot. Some states require bare root shipping through the USDA, so we comply with that because we are a certified nursery. Now, if you receive a plant that is already potted, this is what it'll look like when it shows up. We wrap these very carefully when we ship them, and during the cold winter months we do include heat packs to make sure your plants arrive safely. So when plants are packed, we pack them very neatly, and we tend to coil them up on themselves, so they may look a little more compact than the photo when you get them, but they do fill out very quickly. To repot this plant, you want to make sure you have a container, a pot that has a drain hole in the bottom. This is very important, not only for succulents. Most plants require good drainage, but definitely with succulents like String of Dolphins. So you want to take your plant and massage the bottom just a little bit, and that'll allow the plant to slide out without damaging the roots too much. Now we're going to just go right into a 4-inch pot. We recommend you don't go more than 2 to 3 inches for each pot size. So this is a 4-inch, and we're just up potting it for cosmetics because the clay pot is going to look a little bit nicer. So you want to put just a little bit of soil in the bottom. This is a nice, somewhat gritty potting mix. String of Dolphins actually likes a little bit more water than most succulents, so don't treat it like a cactus. If you notice that the leaves are starting to shrivel a little bit, you're probably underwatering. You still do want to let it go completely dry between watering. So I'm going to place the plant here and then lift the runners. Then with the other hand, add soil, spin the pot. Of course, I've done this a million times, so I probably make it look pretty easy, but it is not difficult. If you bury a few leaves, that's okay. Just work your way around. And don't pack the soil in. You want to just kind of tap it and let it settle into those air pockets. If you pack it in too tight, the plant will have trouble growing. So that's how you pot up your potted String of Dolphins. Now if you receive a bare root one, it's a very similar process, but we want to show you exactly what to expect. Most of the states that are going to get bare root plants are warmer states like California and the western states. So here you have a bare root plant, still very nice root structure will come on it. They do look smaller when they are bare root because there's no pot attached. Now you want to have, again, a pot with nice loose filled potting soil. If you can buy a succulent mix, that would be good. And just massage that soil back and forth. You don't want to push down when you're doing this. Make a nice divot, work your plant in, give it a little shake, and if you need to, you can add a little bit more around. You want to make sure that all of the roots are covered, like so. Now water this in. Now these plants, you want to water them until the water runs through. Make sure they're in a very sunny location. They do love the sun. If you don't have them in enough sun, they can lose that nice dolphin leaf shape, so it's important to have them in plenty of sunlight. By a window is really best. Now the plants will get quite long and large over time. This would make a great hanging basket plant or a plant for a macrame hanger. But if the runners get very long, trimming them back can be helpful. When those runners get really long, it takes more water to move all the way down to the end of the plant, and the plant will dry out much faster. So don't be afraid to give them a haircut. They'll actually branch and be happier. They will flower for you, and the flowers are unique. They do have an interesting clove fragrance, but we like to trim them off, but that is entirely up to you. Look at these adorable little dolphins. I mean, if you're a plant collector, how could you resist? Little jumping dolphins, ready for the ocean. So there you have it, String of Dolphins. It's a really fun plant. You can purchase these on our website at groovyplantsranch.com. Search String of Dolphins. Happy planting. We'll see you next time.